Finally, the Apple iOS 17 OS is available for download, and if your device supports the new iOS 17 for iPhone, you can go ahead to the software update section to download and install the latest iOS 17 on your iPhone. But for sake of this video, I'm going to walk you through how to download and install the iOS 17 on your iPhone. This iOS 17 brings big updates to phones, messages, and FaceTime that gives you new ways to express yourself as you communicate. iOS 17 also comes with a standby mode that delivers a new full screen experience with glanceable information designed to be viewed from a distance when you turn iPhone on its side while charging. Another feature you want to take note about the new iOS 17 is the airdrop that makes it easier to share and connect with those around you, and add name drop for your contact sharing. So this, you'll be able to share your contact without directly transferring your contact or dictating your contact to whoever is using iPhone. So you'll be able to use this. You'll be able to use the name share or airdrop to share contact directly with your iPhone, and also it enhances keyboard, make entering text faster and easier than ever before. So the iOS 17 also include update we get Safari Music, AirPlay, and a lot more. If you want to know more about the iOS 17, then you want to go to the iPhone support page and read more about the security level of the new iOS 17. So I'm going to walk you through directly on how to get the iOS 17 on your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your iPhone settings. While on your iPhone settings, scroll down to General and click on it. Now under General, you want to click on Software Update. Once you click on Software Update, make sure you connect to the internet and wait until your iPhone is able to show whether the iOS 17 is available for you to upgrade or not. And as you can see, I am running the latest iOS 16.6.1 on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the iOS 17 upgrade is available for me to download. So I'm just going to click on upgrade to iOS 17. Once you click on that, then you see automatic download only. Then if you want to let iPhone to automatically install the update once the download is completed, then you want to toggle on install iOS update. So in this case, I'm going to toggle on install iOS update for the sake of this video, so that when the download is completed, the update will automatically installed on my iPhone. Now you want to click on download and install, then type in your iPhone password. Once that is unlocked, then the download process would be initiated, and you should see a pop-up that asks you to accept to the terms and conditions. You can also send the iOS 17 update terms and conditions to your email address by sending by email, but in this case, I just need to click on agree to proceed. Once you click on the agree button to proceed, you should see a pop-up that says, I agree to the iOS 17 Apple Media Service and Cloud Terms and Condition. Tap agree again. Then once you tap on the agree from the pop-up, then you see update request. And after a while, the iOS 17 will be downloaded and then it will be installed on your iPhone. So once this iOS 17 has been downloaded and installed on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, I will come back to confirm that I am actually running the latest iOS 17 on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Once the iOS 17 is downloaded successfully, then your iPhone will start preparing the update. That's why you see iOS 17 Apple Annex, and then preparing update comes under those words. Now, once you have successfully downloaded and installed this iOS 17 on your iPhone, just go to your iPhone settings and tap on General, then click on Software Update. And once you click on Software Update, you see your iPhone will try to check for the new update, and you see your iPhone will show iOS 17. iOS is up to date. That shows your iPhone is now running on iOS 17. If this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video just like this.